I have been covering Shiba Inu for 4 years. I started my channel here on YouTube in January of 2021. And my channel was built on Shiba Inu. It was built on Dogecoin, on those videos, on covering that content. And I love the title of this video. Actually, I was smiling when I wrote it. Shiba Inu is stuck, and that is okay. Some of you guys are going to slam me for that title, and you're going to be like, Austin, I want this to happen. I'm like, okay, give me a minute. Look, I'm going to explain to what's going on. Number one, Shiba Inu is so big that you and I individually cannot move it. We cannot throw more money at it individually or anything like that to make it move right now. It is so big. The liquidity pools behind it, 12.79 billion. $468,365,154 worth of 24-hour daily volume. It is a titan. It is massive, and that's okay. It is okay that Shiba Inu is, quote, stuck. Shiba Inu is stuck at bull market support, and that's fine. You need to understand what is going on to put this into perspective. So before you pause the video and go down in the comments and slam me for like, when it's stuck, it should be going up 20%. It will, okay? But hear me out, okay? Understand what is going on in the crypto market. This number, the entire crypto market in the last week has lost $500 billion in market capitalization. That is money that left. This number was $3,770 billion about a week or so ago. 500 billion's left. A lot has left the meme coin space. To put that in perspective, the meme coin space in and of itself, back on the 8th of December, about 19 days ago, was a $137 billion category. That's meme coins. Today, it is a $94 billion space. 30 billion, no, 40 billion. Don't do math in public. $40 billion has left the meme coin space. So out of that 500 billion that left the entire crypto market, 40 billion of it or so left meme coins. It left meme coins because people get overreactive and they sell when they shouldn't. They sell on days when they shouldn't do that. Okay, now let's center in and look at Shiba Inu. All right, so this is probably the best way to look at it. This is the Shiba Inu chart. And look, I want to show you. Back on the 10th or so of November, Shiba Inu started consolidating. Yes, there's been move up and move down. I mean, it's gone from, say, 4023 all the way to 403 and change. Okay. But if you kind of zoom out a little bit and look at the larger picture, you'll see that for lack of better kind of explanation, Shiba Inu's been stuck in this consolidating range since really the 11th of November. Okay. Makes sense? Now, I could really draw this out and make it look a little bit bigger for you there, but just to give you some perspective. But it has been trading in that channel. And right now, if you look at just this particular portion of it, you can see that it's consolidating there as well. But it has been consolidating in this channel since about the 10th of November. Okay. Now, before that, to put that in perspective, if you look at this, it went from here all the way to here in 7 days. That was about a 70% move up. So does Shiba Inu move up? Yeah, it sure does. Now, there's been other moves in this chart. But again, if you kind of zoom in, you can see the stuck part, the consolidating part, which brings me back to why I opened the video talking about the fact that I've been covering Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu does this. It gets stuck. It consolidates. It stays there for a month, 2 months, which is not a bad thing. The liquidity pools and the capital and the cash behind Shiba Inu and everywhere that it's held globally on exchanges, on decentralized wallets is massive. Yes, it does move with emotional-based risk, risk-averse selling, people selling when they shouldn't be. You should be buying on times like this. But it does this trend, this behavior. It does this over and over and over and over again. If you understand it, it's building support. This is building support. for the next move up. Austin, when is that support and when is that support going to be done and when are we going to move up? January. Why? I've said it in countless videos. Trump taking office, pro-crypto legislation, euphoria is going to come back into crypto. You watch, it's going to happen. Global media coverage worldwide of Trump and his crypto policies. Brand new SEC chairman, Paul Atkins taking over, Gary Gensler going the hell away. All that is going to happen in January. People have given up on crypto right now, and they shouldn't, because this is the time to be stepping in and buying. This is the time when you should be looking at it going, okay, it's crypto is resting. It's stuck, air quotes implied, because it's not time yet, right? Our Santa rally was canceled because of the Federal Reserve and the move they made by announcing that they were cutting some interest rate reductions in 2025, blah, blah, blah. I've covered that in a bunch of videos. So that's why our Santa rally was canceled. But January, all bets are off. It's going to happen. Well, Austin, how do you know that? Because I'm watching the market, because I can see it. I feel it. I'm talking to people that are smarter than me, and they're all saying the same thing. Okay. Don't sell and don't leave right before it's about to get pretty freaking awesome. All right. It's okay that Shiba Inu stuck for right now. It's fine. Because, by the way, it is so strong that it's hard to push it down. It's hard to move it out of the top 20 or so, right? You get my point. All right. Later. Go make some money. See you. Bye.